And Sister Linda. She's got an awesome testimony to share with the church. If you'll come, I'll give you the microphone. This is a victory worth sharing. Amen.
Well, as many of you know, I quit doing chemo. The Lord told me to quit. It was okay.
Hallelujah.
And I did, and I went in for my test. They do a test, a PET scan. I went to Lebanon, and it came back, I am cancer-free, and my numbers are perfect. And I would like you all to know, it was the Lord Jesus. I was not really sick one day. There was one time that I didn't seek the Lord on something, that I had a little problem, and the Lord set me straight real quick, as He always does. But I knew in the beginning I was healed. That was the thing. I was healed back on the cross. When He took those stripes, I was healed then. I just needed to walk on through. But some of you are going to be really lucky, because they are saying now that people are getting healed on their way to healing ministry and things. So, but I was also claiming, and I'll speak it out today. I was claiming it for my family.
Yes.
My mother, my sister, my aunts all had cancer. And you know what? It stops here. In Jesus' name, it stops here. My daughters, my granddaughters, I told them all, you don't need to fear.
All right.
You don't need to fear, because Jesus is so powerful. And I had to share it this morning, because I shared it Wednesday, but there were only a few people here. And I know a lot of you have prayed for me, and thank you. Thank you for every prayer. Thank you for every kind word. And thank you.